Mixed by Nevs.
Hey everyone, Joffrey here and welcome back to my channel where I review the latest and greatest gadgets and gizmos. Today, we are going to take a look at the Huawei FreeBuds SE 2nd generation, the successor to the FreeBuds SE last year. These are affordable wireless earbuds that offer a range of impressive features such as long-lasting battery life, low-latency audio, comfortable and lightweight design, and a robust Bluetooth 5.3 connections. Let's find out if they are worth buying. But before that guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss all my latest gadget reviews. Let's get it started. The first thing you will notice about the FreeBuds SE2 is how compact and sleek they are. The earbuds come with a charging case that easily fits into your pocket and has a smooth matte finish. The earbuds themselves are very light, weighing only 3.8 grams each and 33 grams including the case, and have a half-in-ear design that fits snugly and securely in your ears. Huawei claims that they have considered more than 300,000 ear canal samples to come up with the optimal design for comfort and stability. There is two color options, ceramic white and isle blue. The FreeBuds SE2 also boasts a 40-hour battery life, which is quite impressive for wireless earbuds. You can get up to 9 hours of music playback on a single charge, and if you need a quick boost, you can get 3 hours of music playback on a 10 minutes charge. The charging case supports USB-C fast charging but not support wireless charging. You can fully charge the device including the case around 110 minutes. One of the main highlights of the FreeBuds SE2 is the low latency audio feature, which ensures a lag-free audio experience when watching videos or playing games. The earbuds use Bluetooth 5.3 technology, which provides a stable and seamless wireless connections with your devices. The sound quality is also very good thanks to the speaker that has passed 26 strict reliability tests. The earbuds deliver clear and balanced sound across different genres of music with rich bass and crisp treble. The FreeBuds SE2 also have some smart features that make them easy to use and control. For example, you can pair them with your phone by simply opening the case and tapping on the pop-up message on your screen. You can also customize the audio profile and equalizer setting using the Huawei AI Life application, which is compatible with both Android and iOS devices. The app also lets you find your earbuds by ringing them if you ever lose them. The earbuds also have touch sensor that let you control your music, calls, and voice assistant with just a couple of taps. You can double tap on either earbuds to play or pause music, answer or end calls, or skip tracks. The FreeBuds SE2 also IP54 dust and splash resistant, which means they can withstand some exposure to water and dust. However, this rating only applies to the earbuds themselves, not the charging case, so you should still be careful not to get them wet or dirty. Overall, the Huawei FreeBuds SE 2nd Gen are a great pair of wireless earbuds that offer a lot of value for money. They having a long battery life, long latency audio, comfortable and lightweight design, robust Bluetooth 5.3 connections, and smart features that make them easy to use and control. They are also very affordable compared to some of the other wireless earbuds on the market, which is only 179 dirham priced here in UAE. If you're looking for a pair of wireless earbuds that can provide you with an immersive and enjoyable audio experience without breaking the bank, then you should definitely check out the Huawei FreeBuds SE 2nd generation. Alright guys, that's it for today's review of the Huawei FreeBuds SE2. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.